Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the drawing of an involute of a circle. For that first we have to draw a circle of radius 20 mm diameter. So this is this circle of radius 20. Then we have to select the center. So by activating the O snap point we can get the center of a circle. So with that we have to draw a straight line. Then we have to make it as array, so we have to divide it by 12 segments. So we give array, enter, select the object, then enter. So in terms of polar array we have to type the select polar. So rectangular means it gives a grid and path means we draw a path. So polar gives the circular type of arrays. So identifying the center, then the items can be changed into 12. So we get the circle divided into 12 segments. Now we have to draw the circumference. So the circumference length is taken as 125.6. So we round it off to 126. So this is the baseline. So this 126 is divided, the total circle has been divided into 12 parts, and similarly the circumference has to be divided into 12 parts. So dividing we get 10.5. So we have to each time we have to multiple these points by 10.5 each point. So from here 10.5 it's 21, then 31.5, 42. So similarly we have to draw perpendicular line to the axis. So the first line we have to draw from this point. So choosing this point center 2, we have to draw a perpendicular line. So the perpendicular line sometimes gives some approximate white lines. So it's around 30 degree. Yeah. 30 degree, yeah, gives 10.5. we have to recheck it every time. So this point from here to it's 21, from here it's 31.5. I have to draw a straight line, so 31.5. from here we have to draw 42, then 52.5, then 63. So all the lines are not exactly perpendicular, we have to make it perpendicular next time. So it's 73.5, then it's 84, then it's 94.5, then it's 105, and the next thing is 115.5, and next thing will be 126. So now we have to check whether these lines are perpendicular to these points. So in that we have to go for parametric and the perpendicular. So first we have to choose the first line, the base line, and then the perpendicular line. Yeah, so these two lines are perpendicular. Backspace will again repeat this command, so I am repeating it. Okay, this line we have to move it down. So these two lines are perpendicular. Yeah, these are perpendicular. It has been perpendicular. It has been moved to perpendicular. Has been moved to perpendicular. So similarly we have to check all the points whether they are perpendicular or not. So by changing that we can identify easily the perpendicular lines. So similarly we have drawn, so except this point, so this point we have 21. Okay, so 21, and here also the first 2 points have not been perpendicular, so I am deleting it and redraw it. Okay, so that I can get a clear line. So from this point I am reference, and I am then moving it. So the violet line, here the violet line comes, which gives approximately the 30 degree angle. Again I am going for 10.5, and from here it's around 21. So again I have to check with the parametric terms. Again it's sometimes these complications might occur, so here it's no problem. So we have to change this point. Okay, so we have to just simply move it, so easily we can match the items. I zoom it, I have to, that's all. So all the lines has been drawn. So finally we have to merge with this spline command. SPLIN is spline command, which gives the curve point. So we have to select all the endpoints of that particular perpendicular lines. Then enter. So this is how we draw the involutes of an circle. So for dimensioning we have to go for radius. So radius of the circle, I am just clicking the circle. Yeah, any point we can give. So its radius is 20. We can also measure